Guys, it's your boy Six Figures. Welcome. Today is Friday and it's a payday on Novatech FX now. So, what is Novatech FX? Novatech FX is a crypto and forex trading platform where your money will work for you. So, let me quickly show you what I have made this Friday. Then I'm going to show you what I have on my dashboard. So, let me take you. Yes, so as you can see, this is my back office. Quickly, you can see my name, John Onibo. All right, so I'm down here. You can see my bonus and balance of trading of 1,198. I can see that $3 there is my bonus. So quickly, I'm going to show you the income. We go to wallets, login. Okay, so you can see we are in. So today is what? Today is September 23rd. My bonus return on investment $33.30 received for today. It's not yet done, right? But you can see last week on 17th September I've withdrawn how much? $103. You can see I've withdrawn 103. So but the past three this week I've withdrawn 1, 2, 3. I've withdrawn almost $300. Tell me, imagine you're making $300 every month. Wouldn't that be great? If you're interested, I'll still show you. So quickly, let's come back here to the Facebook here. Now you can see in Novatech started September 2019. If you had invested $500 in Novatech 3 years ago, today you'll be sitting on $94,000. How much is $94,000 in Nigerian currency? So let me do it now. Nigerian currency, that will be 67 million naira after 3 years. So let me ask you, will it worth your $500 investment for 60 million naira in the next three months? That is a good retirement plan, right? Now, if you had 100,000, you'll be sitting on $94,000. And how much is $94,000? I believe I made that calculation initially. $94,000, that will be okay, $94,000. $94,000 times 720. That's the exchange rate. That's 67 million naira. So no, sorry, you'll be having 189,000. Sorry. So that will be this $189,000. You'll be having 136 million naira. If you had invested $1,000 3 years ago, you knew about this business. I knew about them, but I was skeptical. But this company have shown track record. All right. Now, quickly, you can see the track record of Novatech from inception 2019 to date, which is September 2022. You can see it there in that should be like blue thereabout. You can see from inception they had first that September they had 2%. October of the next month 2019 they have 14%. But you can see the track record is all in your screen there. Now the question is, which passive income do you have? If you have any, don't you think it's wise to have another? Trust me, your 9 to 5 job hour won't cut it up. Okay, so it's good to diversify. So if you're interested on how to make passive income while your money work for you with Novatech, all you have to do is just click the link below and I'll put it through. All right, so happy weekend. Enjoy your week.